Hi Year 4, it's Miss Hadfield here. I hope you've had a restful Easter and you're ready to get back to work. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be making some videos to help with your English lessons, and I hope you find them helpful. You can watch them again and again if you need to. Today is Monday the 20th of April, and today we're going to be looking at possessive apostrophes. So apostrophe is a type of punctuation mark, and you can use them for two reasons. You can use them for possession or you can use them for omission. Now this week we are going to be looking at possession, and today we're going to be using them for possession for singular nouns. Now singular means one. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at plural nouns, which is more than one. Okay, now you've probably done this in year 2 and year 3, but it's always good to just recap what you've already learned and start with what you know. So singular nouns, so things like Mr. Clark is a singular noun. Kitchen is a singular noun. Deshelle and Lewis in year 4, they're both singular nouns because there's just one of them. And we're using apostrophes for possession. Now possession is owning or belonging to something or someone. So let's get started. Here is an example of a sentence. The car belonging to Deshelle is red. And I'm going to change this to show possession and to use an apostrophe correctly. So the singular noun is Deshelle. So I'm going to start with Deshelle. There I've got my capital letter, Deshelle. Then we need our apostrophe and our S. Deshelle's car is red. Now the car belongs to Deshelle, so he possesses it, it belongs to him, and that's why we've got our apostrophe and our S just there. Okay, let's go to our next example. So I'll just put this up here so you can have a look at it. Take this one down. I've got another one here. The kitchen belonging to Mrs. Carter has 3 ovens. Now Mrs. Carter is our singular noun. There's only one Mrs. Carter. If I was going to show possession, that the kitchen and the ovens belong to Mrs. Carter, I would write Mrs. Carter's kitchen has 3 ovens. So let's put that up there. Here's another example. The office belonging to Mr. Clark has 1 window. So our singular noun is Mr. Clark, and he owns his office and it has 1 window. So if I was going to rewrite that using the apostrophe for possession, I would put Mr. Clark. Remember, Mr. Clark is a proper noun, so you need a capital letter for Clark and you need a capital letter for Mr. Mr. Clark's, don't forget your apostrophe and your S, Mr. Clark's office has 1 window. Full stop. Here. Let's go to our next example. The pen belonging to Awais is orange. Now Awais is quite interesting because Awais has an S at the end of his name and he's a proper noun, just like Lewis in my class. But the rules are just the same. So if your proper noun or your singular noun ends with an S, you still use an apostrophe, then an S, like this. Oasis pen is orange. Now you can, depending on your pronunciation, you can write it like this as well. Oasis pen is orange. Now both are correct, but you would probably see this more often, and it does depend on your pronunciation. I would use it this way. Oasis pen is orange. So what I would like you to do, there are 3 tasks to do today. There is a quiz that I would like you to complete, and you need to choose the correct sentence showing possession. Then there is a PowerPoint for you to look at and some activities on the PowerPoint. After you've completed the PowerPoint, I've written you some sentences, and I want you to rewrite them using the apostrophe for possession correctly. And also, for a bit of fun, I've put the MC grammar rap for using apostrophes, so you can learn the lyrics and sing along with that. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.